YouTube, welcome back to another video from DJ Soul Agenda. I am DJ, and today I got something different for y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do sneakers, as you can see, but I also do caps. Just never really put them on the camera, but I figured let me start blending those two different aspects of my collection habits, if you will, and get that going. If you are returning, welcome. You know me, you know what I like, but I'm glad everybody here. So check it out. I got some hats I want to review. I got three of them. One from Hat Club, one from Liz, and then I got one from Ecapcity. They all came in the mail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up those hats, and then I got a little twist I want to do with it. I want to look at pairing the hats with a pair of shoes. I got a lot of shoes. I know you do too. So just like some ideas of some shoes that can go with it. And then get your thoughts as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start off right here with the Crown Royals. Okay, this is I live in St. Louis, so I'm always representing for the birds. Here we got the Crown Royal right here. You know what I'm saying? The two birds on the back. You notice that the St. Louis is in the nice gold right there. Got that patch on the side. Busch Stadium. Yeah, Busch Stadium. You know what I'm saying? You got your Batterman poking out, to each his own how you like the Batterman. Then you see your guts, white. So you know how that go if you're sweating. We gotta be careful with these white ones, man. Unless you got some those little guard things in there. I haven't taken the stickers or nothing off of them yet. I understand. We'll get there. Don't don't worry about that. We'll get there. We're just looking at the hat. Overall, I think the hat is pretty nice, man. Like I say, I'm sure in most cities, this specific hat should be just sitting in your lids, to be honest with you. You should be able to just walk in and get them. We got tons here. Full-size runs at all the different malls I went to. I typically check out a bunch of our lids, at least three of them, 3 malls I used to go to check out lids every now and then when I'm on a mission, see what's hats coming out. These are everywhere for me in the Lou, you know what I'm saying? So if you still don't have the crowns, go ahead and check out your local lids in your mall, and I'm confident you'll have a full-size run. But let me know if they sold out where you live. Maybe I'm wrong, but super sweet. Now let's look at this. Now we got some purple in here, purple, gold, and black. So I was thinking, like, what kind of shoes? I wanted to come up with a couple of shoes that'll go with it. Potentially. Tell me what you think. First shoe I'm gonna bring up here. Bam, the Diadora. This is the Conceited Diadora. Cut the beat. You know what I'm saying? Cut the beat. Shout out to Conceited. Conceited from Wild 'N Out, or maybe most of y'all might know him from battle rapping. You know what I'm saying? But most probably y'all know him from Wild 'N Out. This is one of the 2 sneakers he released. There was only 200 pair of each shoe. There's 2 shoes. Each shoe was 200 pair only that was produced, and obviously you see your boy got one. What y'all think about that with that purple joint going in there? What you thinking? Y'all liking that? Take it off of there. What you thinking? I think it's a good move. I think it's a solid move. I put the purple laces in the shoe and everything. Solid. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Pretty decent shoe. Or another option. Got New Balance 991 Stray Rats. How y'all feeling about that? Now, so the laces are a little bit different, obviously, but still, it can go. I would, what I'm saying? I would do it. You know what I'm saying? But what y'all thinking about that as an option? 991, the 3M on this joint. Pretty hot shoe. Shout out to New Balance for that. Shout out to Stray Rats collaboration. So that's what I got for the Crown, man. Like I said, really nice hat. Super happy to have it sitting everywhere. And I'll be honest, I was thinking about grabbing another one just because I'm thinking about grabbing another. Maybe I can, if I start wearing this one, I can have another fresh one sitting in the bin back there. And because I got put them away. So the Crown joint. Next one. Check it out from Hat Club. This came from Hat Club. Just got this delivered to me. This is from the Ancient Egypt pack. Okay. Again, we going with the birds. 2 birds on bat. It's all. Whenever you get the 2 birds on bat, it's a big deal. Whenever you get the 2 birds on bat, it's a big deal. And on this one, I happen to have 4 birds. Even larger deal. Okay. So here we go. We're looking at the black brim. Look at the cap. We got this like wheat or golden, if you want to call it. The birds are in a royal blue with black stitching in the bat. If you look at the bat is blue, but it's kind of like, it's like a, it's definitely not a royal. It's like a light blue. I don't really, that's called almost a university, if you will. Almost a university, if you will. The black stitching on that joint. Of course, it came with the Hat Club pen, the standard pen, you know, with the mummy and thoughts. You know what I'm saying? We got actually on the phone, I guess. Either thoughts on the phone, I don't know. But there's that. Boom. Look at that side patch, though. Look at that side patch. And if you notice that side patch, that copper around it, that copper stitching around it. I love the copper stitching around that patch. 125th anniversary. Woo! Man, that's nice. That's nice. 2 birds on the bat holding up the ribbon. Hot. And you got your guts, black, blue brim. Blue UV, excuse me. UV is blue. Again, don't worry about the stickers and all that. You know what I'm saying? We'll get to that when we get to it. We'll undress the hat. Y'all know how that go. I just ain't finna put it on right. I'm not gonna put it on right now, so there's no point in messing with it. But anyway, that's what we got on that. Did I go over the royal? Purple UV, black brim? Okay. Anyway, what can we wear with this joint? What's some shoes we can wear with this shirt? What, just some options. Well, I got a couple. How about we go with, how y'all feel about that? The 550 New Balance in the royal colorway with the Ancient Egypt Cardinals. How you liking that joint? The 550, everybody's on 550s right now anyway. But to each his own. 550 dead stock. But we'll get to it. We'll get to wearing our shoes, right? 550 with the Cardinals. How you liking that? Is that a good option for you? It's decent, right? It's decent. The royal joint with that is decent. I mean, I could have, what I'm saying? I feel like it's decent. You know what I'm saying? Another option, it is Air Max month. So I was like, let me try to keep it simple. Simple, clean, Air Max month. That's what this is, right? Bam. I broke out the 90. You know what I'm saying? Broke out the 90 on that joint. You know what I'm saying? Looks, now that's real clean, ain't it? Remember, you know what I'm saying? Air Max month. Everybody's doing like one Air Max per day. Air Max Day coming up here real soon. We'll be covering that. Make sure you tune in. I'm gonna be live. I'm gonna do a 24-hour live stream on Air Max Day. So come back here. I'm covering it all from the US all the way to the EU, anything in between. I'm gonna be here all night for that. So we're gonna be doing just like we did last year. But yo, what you thinking about that, man? We can go, of course we can go elaborate, but I'm like, yo, make it simple, make it clean. Just the Royal Air Max 90. Don't get me wrong, 550 is a move, but man, that Air Max 90 joint, that vibe right there, that vibe right there though, yeah, that's it, man. So there we go. That's just a couple of suggestions I have for the the Ancient Egypt pack. Okay, last hat I got for y'all, just got this one in today. You know what I'm saying? This one is from Ecapcity. You know what I'm saying? And from Ecapcity, here we go. We got them Blue Jays. Again, don't be worried about all the stickers and stuff. We'll get that taken care of. We got that Toronto Blue Jays. And look at that side patch, 25th season. And as you know, this bad boy is glow in the dark. It is glow in the dark. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you some B-roll of this hat with the glow so you can see it. So make sure you watch the whole video. I'm gonna put that like close to the end for you so you can see that, okay? It won't be a long clip for that. I'll just make sure you get, I'll get you enough time to be able to see it. I'm gonna charge it up and then, film it for you, both sides. But check that out. You know what I'm saying? Looks like a smoky gray almost up, the cap, all the way up to the brim. Underneath, you got that. Here's your underneath your UV. You know what I'm saying? Your guts are black in this joint. You know what I'm saying? It's like what you call it? Like a tan. Like a tan or a chocolate UV right here. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you, the glow on this joint is nice. I love it. I really do love it a lot. I'm really happy to have this hat. Typically, you know what I'm saying? I typically buy Lou Fitteds. You know what I'm saying? I'm typically buying Lou Fitteds, but I'll buy other teams as well. You know what I'm saying? I have multiple teams, but I'm primarily focused on buying the Cardinals. I'm just gonna be honest with you. But I do love the Toronto Blue Jays as probably my second. Like a Blue Jay hat is just fire. It's gas to me. I love how they do the bird all the time. So let's talk about some shoes that potentially go with the Blue Jay joint, right? You know what I'm saying? One thing, that's a little stretch. It's a little stretch, but I just wait for number two. First thing, I got a Pharrell. You know what I'm saying? I kind of liked it a little. I liked it a little bit with the turquoise in the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Going with the turquoise in the leaf and in the patch. Kind of slight, man. Kind of slight. I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. I could rock that. And, you know what I'm saying? I could check out the orange laces and put the other ones in. Because, you know, I got, you know, these always come with extra laces. But slight tights, you know, it's pretty decent. Pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? What you think about that? Pretty decent. I can see it, but let me tell you what's really... let's get to the real move. Now, I think this is home run. Yeah. Yep. That Wave Runner still DS is not because I'm keeping it DS. I just don't have time. I ain't got time to wear it. There's so many shoes. But anyway, yeah, that's the move right there. That Wave Runner joint. That Wave Runner joint on there. Yeah, that's it. That's it. How y'all feeling about that Wave Runner though? Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. How you feel about that? I think that's the, like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's it. That's it right there. The way I see it. Home run. Wave Runner. If you got the Wave Runner and you got this Toronto, pair it up at your house, you know what I'm saying? You know, see how you like it. If you're doing lace swaps on these, you know, show me what that's like. You know what I'm saying? You can DM me on Instagram so I can see what you got. That's enough. Yeah, do that. Hit me up on IG, same name, DJ Soul Agenda. Hit me up on IG with some of your pairings with your hats. You know what I'm saying? You can type it too, but if you want to show me some pictures, go ahead and do that. Let me see what you got going on, man. Let me see what you got going on. But yeah, that's all I got for today. These 3 hats that just come in. Literally, just all came in. So I appreciate y'all for taking time out to come check with me. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell. I go live a lot. My wife and I, we go live a lot. You know what I'm saying? So you might want to check in on that. We do live cops on the hats. We're doing live cops on these hats, on these drops. Live copping on those. And we also, of course, we're doing live cops on the sneakers. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, like on Saturdays especially, when everything is popping off on a Saturday, you definitely want to be in the building for that. You know, we got some upcoming drops for hats coming up. What we got? Thursday, we got Ecapcity got a drop coming out. So we got to look for that, right? Ecapcity on Thursday night. And then Friday, we got the Hat Club. We got the Hat Club drop. You know, no, I'm sorry. Is it Hat Club? No, it's Lids. It's Lids HD drop. We got a drop coming up. So make sure y'all tune in for that. But yeah, like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tune in and keep that bell on. And I'm gonna see you later. All right. Now check out this B-roll. I'm gonna show you this glow. Outside of that, I gotta go. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Yeah. Break. So agenda. Once a new heat drops, I'ma get up on that. I done waited too long for the cash. Now I gotta get mine, cause the game won't last. Turn a no dream to a new path. Everything gon' fold, don't you live by that. So I don't ever need to look back. Looking into new leads who only state facts. So agenda, where we at? Where we at with it? Yeah. I know some people who watch for the wrong reason. For really though. Just know you could go get yours. So quit saying what you don't preach. Quit preaching on. I've been on great timing. All the else kept me needing to do more with the shit. I'ma stop till my wins are even. Oh man.
Appreciate y'all for tuning in with us.